figure out rust and block is what's stamped on a lot of them. Although some of them don't match, some of them actually have a ceramic finish on them, which probably indicates they're older. I don't think they're a match to what's on the house, although it's really tough to tell. So, two possibilities. They could be original for the house and they've done some work on the outside, added the deck, something like that, and they saved the brick. Or, believe it or not, recycled or upcycled vintage brick is actually a thing. It could be for a paver patio or something that we haven't stumbled across yet, and that's what they use. One of the things we'll have to look for inside is any signs of moisture intrusion around this chimney, because when we see that kind of staining and efflorescence on a chimney assembly, just like in a foundation wall, it's an indication that moisture is getting down and through that brick somehow. And we should not see that much of it in a chimney structure like this, especially one that's completely roofed over in this area and kind of protected from the elements. So this roof is unfortunately too high and too steep to walk. Maybe we can see some of it in the attic, but we'll have to look at the brick or stone, whatever's inside, and see if there's any sign of moisture coming in there, because this is probably coming all the way down from the top of the chimney assembly, literally through the brick and through the block that makes up this chimney.
Let's talk about bricks.
Okay, so we found the source of the brick that was underneath the deck that we talked about earlier. They clearly at some point in time rebuilt about the top 18 inches to 2 feet of this chimney. That probably also ties in with the staining and efflorescence and evidence of moisture intrusion we found at the chimney assembly in the little screen room area here. So my supposition looking at this would be they had some pretty significant problems with brick deterioration, moisture intrusion, damage to the top of this chimney, and they finally bit the bullet and actually rebuilt the top of it to make the whole assembly again a little bit more water resistant, waterproof, and to stop any continued deterioration or damage. Honestly, I wish they would have done a better job matching the brick, because once you see that there, that is definitely much, much newer brick on top of 1980s brick. But now we know where the brick came from, now we know where the stains came from, we got a better feel for what's going on with that whole chimney assembly. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, please like and subscribe. You'll find the information down below.